プリム、プリニーチャンネル。チャンネル登録よろしくね。Hello, everyone.
Today, let's learn about animals.
You'll hear an animal sound. Can you guess what it is?
Stay with us until the end. What animal's sound is this? Which animal makes this sound? One, chicken. 2, monkey. 3, duck. Chicken, monkey, duck.
Which one? The animal that goes cluck is.
The correct answer is 1, chicken.
Yay!
Did you get it right? Now, let's make a sentence with the word chicken. A chicken's egg. 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 A chicken and a chick. 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 Chicken feathers. Chicken feathers. Chicken feathers. Chicken feathers. Chicken feathers. Chickens are noisy. Chicken are noisy. Chickens are noisy. Chickens are noisy. Chickens are noisy. A chicken can fly a little. 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 Rooster, hen, chick. Rooster, hen, chick. Rooster, hen, chick. Rooster, hen, chick. Rooster, hen, chick.
Quiz time. Now, let's see what we learned.
What words fit? What words fit? The correct answers are a chicken's egg. A chicken's egg. What words fit? The correct answers are a chicken and a chick. A chicken and a chick. What words fit? The correct answers are chicken feathers. Chicken feathers. What words fit? The correct answers are chickens are noisy. Chickens are noisy. What words fit? The correct answers are A chicken can fly a little. A chicken can fly a little. What words fit? The correct answers are rooster, hen, chick. Rooster, hen, chick.
We learned a lot today.
Let's learn together again.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.
If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more fun.